This week on Viterbi News Now. From the USC swim lanes to the Olympic qualifiers, Aëla Janvier is not just making waves, she's set to make history. This USC Viterbi alum is now training for the French Olympic team, dedicating over 30 hours a week to perfect her 200-meter backstroke. Chasing her childhood dream, Aëla is a French-Canadian dual citizen, hoping to secure her spot on the French Olympic team this month. Outside of the pool, Aëla's not slowing down. She's diving into applications for grad school in management and digital information systems. Will she make it to the 2024 Paris Olympics? Well, we'll have to stay tuned and stay ready to cheer on a fellow Trojan engineer. USC Viterbi is hosting the National Action Council of Minorities in Engineering's Artificial Intelligence Machine Learning Intensive Boot Camp. Supported by Apple, this 9-week program runs all the way from June 3rd to August 4th, with the goal of preparing the next wave of machine learning specialists.
All these students come with different backgrounds when it comes to their respective discipline. We assume that they come in with a clean slate of when it comes to programming and machine learning. When they finish the class, they're going to be experts in writing code and also expanding and creating machine learning applications. The boot camp kicked off with a grand welcome by Dean Yanis Yortsos and Michelle Lazama, President and CEO of NACME.
USC has been a long-time member of NACME. This is your opportunity to ask how you can apply your major, your interests, what you're going to learn this summer, to what you think that you want to do.
Current engineering and computer science undergraduate students were selected to participate in the rigorous and exciting learning environment while receiving hands-on, real-world data science experience through collaborative projects and an innovative curriculum designed to build skills in statistics and machine learning.
Do well, ask a lot of questions, and make sure that this is the opportunity of a lifetime.
This summer break, dive into the digital world of discovery here at USC Viterbi with the latest edition of the Viterbi Magazine. It's your go-to source for the most important and powerful research breakthroughs and inspiring stories, spotlighting our talented students and faculty members. And while you're fueling that curiosity, don't forget to tune into our show, The Circuit, brought to you by USC Viterbi in partnership with the National Academy of Engineering. It's the first social media engineering news show featuring engineering feats from around the country. Welcome to a new era of semiconductor innovation. Starting in 1981, MOSIS at the USC Viterbi's Information Sciences Institute provided fabrication services for silicone-based chips. Now MOSIS is being revamped to focus on compound semiconductors such as gallium nitride and indium phosphide for different performance characteristics, especially for high-frequency applications. Set to launch in 2025, the MOSIS 2.0 will offer end-to-end prototyping services for compound semiconductor devices. The effort is part of USC leadership and collaboration in the CA Dreams, the Defense Ready Electronics and Micro Devices Super Hub. That's all for this week. For more information on these stories and more, just head to our website, viterbi.usc.edu.